If you're like many people looking for legit side hustles from home while working online, then this is just a quick example of some of the trainings that we teach inside of our training course uh, using Yelp. Okay, so if you look at the statistics and the information behind what Yelp is and how it can help local online businesses to get more clients and customers, then you see just how important this is. So you can see it's got 90 million unique monthly visitors. So what you want to do is use the training methods that we teach inside of our simple course for $37, where we show you how to go into Yelp. We find you how to find businesses such as this that are not listed in here, or as this business that are not listed. Use our outreach scripts, our methods of contact, our direct message scripts. We show you just how simple it is to set up these services and to be charging customers and local businesses $150 more for each service that we teach you inside of our training. So right now it's $37. Not sure how long that price is going to stay in effect, but we show you step-by-step videos, we have guides, and we have a whole selection of other services that are in demand in ways that you can do this work from home. So it's something that you're going to want to check out. So check the link below in the video or somewhere on this video itself. And do us a favor, give us a share, a like, or a follow.